In the Apple's It's a Glow Time event, the Apple did launch the iPhone 16 series, and the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max is what we're going to be talking about. The iPhone 16 Pro models come in a new gold color and feature the camera control button. The iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3 inches display, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts about 6.9 inches of screen, the largest ever on any iPhone. Both models have thinner borders and always on 120Hz ProMotion displays. The Pro models are available in black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and a new desert titanium color. Well, talking about the pricing, here we tell you the pricing of the iPhone 16 Pro and the Pro Max model in India. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro 128GB starts for 1,19,900, the 256GB is 1,29,900, and the 512GB is 1,49,900, wherein the highest 1TB model is priced at Rs 1,69,900. Talking about the iPhone 16 Pro Max pricing, the 256GB is priced at 144,900, 512 is priced at 1,64,900, and 1TB model is priced at Rs 1,84,900. The iPhone 16 Pro models come in a new gold color and feature the camera control button like we told you. And yes, they will be available on sale from the September 20th. Well, talking about the chipset, both the models are powered by advanced A18 Pro chipset built on second generation 3nm transistors. Apple claims the new chip features a 6-core GPU running 20% faster than A17 Pro. It has 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, delivering up to 15% faster performance while using a 20% less power. The A18 Pro also includes next-gen machine learning accelerators, faster USB 3 speeds, and ProRes video recording support. Talking about the camera upgrades, the triple rear camera system has been upgraded. The iPhone 16 Pro models feature a new 48-megapixel fusion camera with a second-gen quad-pixel sensor that allows for zero shutter lag in 48-megapixel Pro RAW and HEIR photos. The cameras also support 4K 120 video capture. A new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus has also been added. Both Pro models, the 16 Pro and the Pro Max, come with a 12-megapixel sensor featuring a 5x telephoto lens with a 120mm focal length. Well, talking about the audio upgrades here, the 16 Pro series introduces a new audio feature like spatial audio capturing during video recording. Audio Mix uses machine learning to separate background sounds from the speech, and in-frame mix isolates the voice of the person on the camera, creating a studio-like recording effect, which is fantastic tech. Talking about the battery, the company hasn't revealed the battery size but is boasting about the performance. Apple says that it has optimized the battery with a larger capacity and better power management. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to have the best battery life ever on an iPhone, promising longer usage times thanks to these improvements. Well, that was all about the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max details that we gave you that Apple launched in its Glow Time event.